we are going to take on the final jury, right? So over here, what we are looking at is that we are going to have a very eminent panel of jurists, which involves bureaucrats, politicians, industry experts. And when I say bureaucrats, these are the guys who have got almost 3 decades plus of experience. We have entrepreneurs and executive directors and innovators, right? So it's very important uh, aspect of presenting what we have done. So part of where you're going to kind of present your designs to a very eminent jury, right? I thought it's important kind of 15 minutes to present his design. When I say his, I mean your
Hi, sorry to cut in. I think
design.
your
So we are looking at Weber. I'm missing you.
yes, I think your voice was coming out distorted. Was it okay for everybody else?
Yes, sir, it is okay.
Okay, sorted.
No worries, no worries.
Please
These are
continue.
certain network issues which will keep happening at somebody's end. So, guys, anytime two, three of you feel that the voice is crackling up, please just feel free to kind of raise a hand or push a message, right? So that way we'll come to know, right? One odd case can be like individual network problem, but let's say two, three guys facing a difficulty in kind of hearing my voice can straight away please raise a flag. Okay, so going back to where we were, you will get 15 minutes present your design, of which we would recommend that you take 10 minutes to present your design, and 5 minutes we will keep for the question and answers with the jury, where the jury is going to ask you certain questions, right? So how do you do that in 10 minutes? 10 minutes is too short a time to present, but definitely a very reasonable amount of time to kind of bring out your complete design idea. So how do you do it? You do it by firstly and giving what have you identified as the problem statement, right? So there was an application where you find certain issues, statements very clearly. Come up with what innovations you have carried out can be seen in your prototypes, right? So please run prototypes over there, not only to kind of prepare a good design, but it is also important to project the uniqueness and innovation in that design, right? So initially, I mean, 10 minutes would be about 5 to 6 slides as we had put initially in this contest, and when we announced it, so that's the time where we had said 5 odd slides. So the entire intention was that whatever you've done in those 5 slides should emerge. Experience with all the entries we've received, people have gone overboard and trying to kind of make a lot of PPTs and PDFs which are very long. That doesn't help, you know. It has to be a very precise. You have to precisely and with precision convey what you've done, right? So what comes to my mind is that you can kind of give a what is the problem statement, identify the problems which people are facing in this app, uh, give out your ideas, which are your innovative ideas, and then you give your solutions which you provided, right? And then probably run your prototypes. So plan this iteration of those 10 minutes in a very beautiful manner. And since most of, rather not most, all of you are in the design world, you know, the beauty of storytelling is to kind of present a good story. But remember, stories can run very long. over here the time is short. Also, we need to understand that all these people are very eminent, and they are in a very they have the paucity of time right now, right? So we need to keep that aspect in mind. People are magnanimous sparing their valuable time to kind of be on board with us. So we must appreciate their presence and also put our best foot forward. And I'm sure you all would be aware how the things are going to pan out on the 20th, right? Which I will leave Vaibhav to kind of discuss further. But before that, sequence of events tomorrow between 1 to 3, we will have our 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. we will be having our presentations. So between 1 to 1:10 we will have a discussion within the jury and a briefing. But we would like first we would like two people to be on the standby. So we will give you a time schedule, right? We'll be doing this on a Zoom call. I hope all of you are comfortable with the Zoom. So can we just have yeses on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who's not comfortable with Zoom or any issues with the Zoom? I'm sure none of us will have, especially all of us have now in last 2.5, 3 months, really graduated well onto the digital world. So I'll just repeat that 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. we have our jury timings. 1 to 1:10 we'll be briefing we'll have an internal discussion amongst the jury. And 1:10 we will start, 1:10 or 1:15 around between that time, we will start with the first candidate who will speak for about 15 minutes. The second candidate should be there waiting, should have joined the Zoom call and be in the waiting room, right? And all those who finish have a liberty to continue or they can disconnect. However, at the end, we will have a photograph session, and we'll be requesting all of you to switch on your cameras so that we can take a photograph along with the jury, right? So this is how we are going to pan it up. We will give you your time slots, how you will be slotted. That we will let you know by the evening, and I guess that's good. I'm sure you guys will put up a good show. Vaibhav, we are missing anything, or we've conveyed all the points which we need to?
Sure. Let me just check quickly.
Yes. So we've given them the timing 1 to 3 p.m. We will today by evening time, we will give them who gets slotted at what time.
Right.
They'll be getting a Zoom link for that.
Right.
Also, they'll be in the waiting room. The next person should be in the waiting room. All those who finish presenting have a choice to continue and listen to the others along with the jury, or they may disconnect, and then we'll request them to stay around 2:35 to 40, right, depending upon how it pans out. And then we will have a word from the jury and a combined photograph, right?
Yes. So, to all the guys here at the moment, what I would also need is your Instagram handle. The reason being is, as you know, the winner is going to be announced in our Insta live session that's going to happen with Moro Porcini. So guys will want to tag the winner as well. So I've gotten Mohit's, Amber's, Srijay, and Sagar's Instagram handle. So Yogesh and Lynn, are you guys there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you can just like WhatsApp me your Instagram handle, so we'll tag you in the post that's gonna come in. And uh, uh, from my side at the moment right now, it's this. Prashant, can we do a Q&A with these guys at the moment if there are any questions?
Oh yes, absolutely. That's why we are here. Any questions, guys? Please feel free to shoot, so that you put up your best foot forward. And I'm sure all of you know who's going to announce the results. Uh, this guy is a name in the world of design, right? So it's a great opportunity to get your name tagged with him. Uh, uh, I mean, it's a great opportunity, guys, and you've done very well to reach this stage. And I must kind of thank Webhub to kind of organizing all this. Good show, Webhub, and good show, guys. Yeah. So, any questions? Please unmute yourself and ask one by one.
Okay, so let me coordinate this. Lynn, do you want to go first if you have any questions?
Get any questions?
Sorry, come again.
I know suddenly got
Lynn, would you like to kind of, your voice is cracking up a bit. So if you could kind of just punch in your question in the chat session, chat box.
I think Lynn just dropped off maybe because of a poor network connection.
So let's have the next person. Lynn is back.
Sure. I think I see her coming back in. So Amber, would you want to go next if you have any questions?
Yes, sir, sure. So my question is like, do we like the jurors are going to go through our projects when the jury starts, or like before? Are they going to go through our projects?
Uh, Good question, Amber. Jury would have already by that time gone through your projects, right? So what we would be looking at is giving your projects, but what happens is jury goes through all the projects, right? And keeping that in mind that these guys are I would say industry experts and very busy in their schedule. So it will be good that you put your best foot forward of explaining your design ab initio. That means you take it that they have not seen it, right? That is a better way to deal with it, as if they are going afresh, right? So I think that would be a better call. So you prepare in that manner, that window of 10 minutes should be to convey the max, right? And also run your design. We've seen your designs through the videos. The jury would have seen your designs through the videos which you've sent. They've seen your design. Nonetheless, we want you to present it to them in a manner befitting to a jury, right?
Right, sir.
Do I answer your question?
Yes, yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. So, any other question, number from your side?
So not as of now. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. We have Lynn back with us. Lynn.
Yes. Lynn, can you hear her? Hi, Lynn. Are you there? Okay. Till the time Lynn can get back to us, maybe I can move on to the next person.
Right.
Yes. Mohit, would you like to go ahead if you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Sir, in which language juries are comfortable? Maybe English or Hindi. Which language I prefer?
Whatever you are comfortable with, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Any
Right.
language I can prefer.
हाँ जी, sorry.
कोई भी language prefer कर सकता हूँ, sir, मैं.
You can speak in English. You can speak in Hindi. Right.
Okay.
No worries on that.
Okay, sir.
And you can speak a language of mixed language also. Design does not have a language. I mean,
Okay, sir.
you use your design language, right? Present the best of your ability, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry on the communication part. But convey what needs to be conveyed. Don't worry on the language. Communicate your idea. अपना design communicate करना है आपने. आपने क्या क्या जो किया है, आपने कैसे उसमें इनोवेशन किया है, कैसे आपने उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया है, राइट? उसको आपने प्रेजेंट करना है. इंग्लिश या हिंदी या मिक्स doesn't make a difference. Don't worry on that. We are judging you on your design. We are judging you on your communication, but we are not judging you on your language. Don't worry on that. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
इसकी चिंता नहीं करनी. Don't worry. Okay. Any other question, Mohit?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best. Chalo, Amber, any questions from your side? Further, we've already had Amber asking.
Yes.
Nick,
Sorry, go ahead.
okay, Sagar, you have some questions?
Hi, sir. Good morning. So I had a question regarding.
Sagar, you'll have to be slightly louder. Your voice is very feeble.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Slightly better than before. If you could
Okay,
come closer to the mic.
Sure, sure. So my question was that in the 10-minute slot, is it fine if I also show the video at the end so that all my inputs or all my thoughts are conveyed in a short video?
Yes. So as I said, you have 10 minutes to kind of 10 to 12, I would say, depending upon the jury, how much time they allow you. So you have to present your ideas. You have to demonstrate your prototype also, right? Keep that in mind, guys. So that's also important, right? So have that presentation, have your video running in. So you plan your thing. What I'm giving you is just a broad guideline from my side. It's you are going to present and project your case, right? You please take it as that you are the innovators and you are going to sell your idea, right? And you have to convince the jury of buying your design. That's the game, right?
So basically, what I will do is I will just share my screen, run through them, all my presentation, like 5-page presentation, and a video at the end. So that I think
Absolutely. I mean, that sounds good,
great.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions, Sagar?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay. Next in line, Srijaya.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I just want to clarify that I can reduce my slides? It's like how you said, like in 10 to 12 minutes, or we have to present our ideas. So can I reduce, or do I have to show the same file?
No, it is now whatever you submitted. Why I took the opportunity to talk to you guys is because what I found over all the entries I have received, people have gone overboard in creating a lot of slides, right? 10 to 15 to 20 slides to convey their idea. Unfortunately, over here, it's a business world, right? So we are actually kind of prepping you guys to be a part of the business community and the business world doesn't have time, right? So you have to convey your complete design in that stipulated time constraint, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how it's being worked out. It's actually a real life thing. If you go as all those who are students, for them it's how the real world works, and all those who are working right now, they can actually appreciate that 10 to 15 minutes is a big time if you get from the top management for buying your idea and design, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll have to kind of rework your presentation, Shrija, if I kind of understand, because you put in a lot of slides, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So rework it. Have meaningful slides. Please remember, if you are discussing a slide, generally it's a minute or two to a slide, right? So accordingly plan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yogesh. Shrija, any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay. I guess I can see Amber raising his hand. Amber, you can come online and kind of, yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to add to Sagar's question.
Yeah.
Is the presentation being hosted by us or the host?
No.
Who is going to share the screen?
We will give you the sharing rights for that moment of time, and you will share your screen, right?
Okay, right.
Yeah. Vaibhav, I think that is okay.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So Vaibhav will control that. No worries on that. Right?
So
Yes, sir.
just to add to that, so what we're going to do is enable a waiting room, and after discussing with Prashant, we'll give you the time slots that we'll communicate it to you via email. And basically, the time slot, guys, you'll have to be keep on coming in at that time. And like Prashant has just mentioned, that at the end we'll all be together at the end of everybody else's presentation, and we'll just do a screenshot of everybody's live video feed on their on the laptop.
So, Vaibhav, so can we join again for this? After the whole every juries are done, then join it later, right? For the picture.
Couldn't hear you.
Sagar, your voice is absolutely down. Can you just come very close to the mic and speak?
Yeah. So I was asking like if we can join at the last for the picture, that is fine, right? Around like 3 o'clock. Whenever
We'll 3 would be, cutting to the edge. But you around 2:40, 2:45 be around, so that way it'll be better, right? Yeah, we don't want you to miss that, and we want all 7 of you along with the jury and Vaibhav and self, so that all of us are there together, right? These are very memorable events in life. We would like to capture them, right?
Sure.
Sure. Yeah, Shrija, go ahead, please.
Sir, is this a video presentation? Like our video should be on?
No, we will see. See, when you are presenting this thing, you want to be. I mean, it will be nice if your bandwidth allows you to switch your videos on. That will be really great, so that the jury can see you, right? I mean, but just in case, like you are having certain internet issues and bandwidth issues, then it will be advisable to kind of switch off your video, but keep sharing your screen. Without that, you can't work, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Just to add to that point, Prashant, can I suggest saying that if you guys have your on and the panel can actually see you, it will actually bring in a lot of impact. But if you are facing that internet issue, that bandwidth issue, so I think just mentioning that before the presentation, so that you can just mention that before you start presenting. Otherwise, if you have the bandwidth to actually put in a video and you're visible to the panel, that will bring in a much bigger impact, according to me. What do you think, Prashant sir?
Absolutely, Vaibhav. Please remember, guys, we are humans. We like to see each other. We are social, and the contact, the eye contact, really makes a difference, right? And seeing you over there gives a very good feeling. Also, another aspect which was coming to my mind is that it would be good case in point when you start, please introduce yourself, right? Invariably what happens is that in the heat of the moment, people start immediately with the presentation rather than introducing themselves. So just about 5 to 10 seconds to introduce yourself, and that will be really good, right? So wherever possible, if your bandwidths are good, please continue sharing your videos and your screen. In case the bandwidth has problem, as Vaibhav has said very rightly, in the very beginning, you can say that because of bandwidth issues, I'll be constrained to kind of keep my camera off. However, I'll be sharing my screen and continue with that, right? Sounds good, Vaibhav?
Yes.
Okay. Whose turn now? Yogesh, any questions from your side?
No questions, sir.
Okay, good. I guess by the time the last person reaches, all questions are clarified. Lynn, from your side, please.
It's clear, sir.
It's all good?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we are good to roll. All the very best. Put your best foot forward. Hope to see you guys being interactive with the jury, and may the best guy win. All the best and God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vaibhav, thank you so much for organizing this.
Thank you, everybody. Everybody, if you have any other follow-up questions, you can either email it on the same design challenge @imaginexp.com, or we're also connected on WhatsApp. So just let me know if there's any quick question that you have or any follow-up questions. Just let me know, and yeah, and all the best.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Prashant sir.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Thank you, guys. All the best.